Alright, welcome guys. We are doing an Instinct Bike check here. As you can see, it's our Abang Hafiz Bike. Alright, so basically we have a ODC spacebar, and we have some ODC chase hot grips, and we have an ODC elementary stem, as you can see there. Yes, dope stem. Alright, moving on to the fork, we have some ODC director fork. Awesome fork, awesome. It's just a fucking fork, man. Right, okay, we have some Primo N4 front hub. We have a Primo Balance rim, and as you can see there, there's a McNeil fashion defects, whatever. It's rusted. Alright, moving on to the frame, we have a Fit S2 frame. Yeah, it's a very nice frame with a geometry of 20.75. Top tube and a chainstay. You can Google it. Alright. Moving on to the cranks, we have some stock cranks. We have ODC, as you can see at the pedals, we have one side of ODC metal pedals, and the other side is some plastic pedals. I guess that's fit pedals, yes? Yes, fit pedals. Right, moving on to the seat, we have some shadow seat, as you can see from the logo. Alright, for the sprocket, as you can see, it's a ODC Burlington sprocket. Yes, ODC Burlington sprocket, whatever how do you pronounce it. Okay. Moving on to the rear wheel, we have some with a people Q-Light hub, RHD, and of course an alienation black rim. Right. As you can see the tires, we have some ODC Pathway tires. Nice tires over there. It's squeaky and grippy. Alright, this is for the first bike of Instinct. I'll see you again for the next bike check. Signing off.